Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to me, and I would like you to be my guest on the ceremony that will make this presentation operation. Okay, everyone, without any further ado, let's dive into my proposal. Proposal research titled Jurassic Park, Depicting of the Animality of Eco-Literature by Muhammad Albisai Fajrin from English Literature 2017. Research advisors Dr. Sukardi Weda, MHum, MPD, MSE, MM, and Dr. Randas Abdullah MHum. The next thing that probably I should tell you about is the outline. So, like any other proposal, this research proposal divided into three different sections. There is chapter 1, which is contain background, research questions, objectives, and the significance of this research. Then I had chapter 2 that contain review of related literature and conceptual framework. And the last section is chapter 3, and it contains research design, source of data, method of collecting data, and technique of analyzing the data. Chapter 1, background. So, I'll start with eco-literature. Eco-literature is basically talk about literature and environment with the nature as its subject. And as a branch of literary, we can find it in the one of the commonly literature work forms, novel, because in the novel itself, there are a lot aspects to be analyzed, including nature. A good example for a novel that enormously talk about nature is Michael Crichton's Jurassic Park, which is the main conflict of the story is human versus nature. Nature here including animals. Animals' nature or instinct of human, always called animality. So perhaps after I've done this research, we could know how to not treat animals and more understand that the animals also have the right to live and roam this blue pale marble we call Earth. So the next thing is previous studies. So some researchers with a similar topic and the same exact novel have been researched in the past. The first is the ignorance of genetic over nature as reflected on Dr. Henry Wu characters in Michael Crichton Jurassic Park novel by Arif Nofrialdi from Andalus University back in 2016. And the second is titled The Practice of Capitalism as Seen in Jurassic Park by Michael Crichton by Wahyuni Ilham from Bung Hatta University in 2011. Research questions. Essentially, I had 3 research questions that hopefully I could answer all of it at the result of my research. The first question is, what these animals could do to challenge the creator. The second, why artificial ecosystem in Michael Crichton Jurassic Park failed. And the third is how Michael Crichton Jurassic Park describe a complex reality. Objectives of the research. Directly proportional with my research questions, factually I had 3 objectives. First, to know what these animals could do to challenge the creator. Second, to find out why artificial ecosystem in Michael Crichton Jurassic Park failed. And the third, to examine how Michael Crichton Jurassic Park described a complex reality to our nature in this modern era. Significance of the research. So the significance of the research is to ecological balance. That is important for the healthy life on Earth. So, to protect the environment, the people and also the government have done some action and created the awareness among the part of the people. But the awareness and seriousness must be given more by literature and other things. It gives importance to the relationship between human beings and nature, and eventually will help to guard the environment for a better tomorrow. Chapter 2. Theoretical background. According to Jessica Tosic in 2006, eco-literature is a study of environment and literature from an interdisciplinary point of view, where literature scholars analyze texts that describing environmental concern and the various ways literature treats as a subject of nature with the relationship between living organisms and their natural environment as well as their relationship with that environment. While novel, according to Key and Noble in 2017, is known as a narrative considerable length, that diversity of social speech style that deal with human experience imaginatively. And we had Wyckoff quotes in 2015 that say animality is about intersecting features of animals' life and rights. The features and character which are constructed according to the ways in which particular animals are treated within human institutions and practices. Still in theoretical background, so the main theory that I'll use in my research is the mimetic theory by M.H. Abrams way back in 1971, which focus on the relation between the reality of the text and the reality in this universe. So, I would analyze and compare between Michael Crichton's complex reality in his book and nowadays situation. The next half is theoretical framework, and as you can see here, I'll focus on the ecological literary using mimetic theory by M.H. Abrams to analyze the Jurassic Park novel, which is contain a lot of animality issues, then depicting the anatomy of my research question that I mentioned before. Chapter 3. Research Design. In this contextual research, I'll be using the qualitative method. It's to conduct it in components by collecting and analyzing the data, then presenting the results of source of data. I personally apply the library research by taking data from the 4 different sources. First, we got the novelization, then I will get from commentaries, then the movie, and the quotations. These sources hopefully used to support my analysis. Method of collecting data. The data, as always, has been separated into primary data and secondary data. The primary data were collected by reading and understanding Jurassic Park novel by Michael Crichton. And the secondary data were taken from the internet, essays, articles, literary books, journal article, personal commentaries from the people that have read the novel, and the movies. Technique of analyzing data. In analyzing the data, the researchers applies qualitative method and memetic theory by Abrams in 1971. The researcher uses quotation that taken from the novel as the primary data in connection with reference sources of eco-literature. Back in 2014, Miles M.B., Haberman A.M., and Saldama, they all explained that this kind of research process include 3 steps activity to follows. First is data reduction, then we got data display, and the last is verification or conclusion. And the last is references. I use journals and books as my references. That's all for me. Thank you for everyone that stay and pay attention to my operation presentation. Praise to the loving God. Noon wal kalami wa mayas turun. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.